Public transportation is the backbone of modern cities, but keeping it running smoothly requires timely information, proactive maintenance, and seamless data integration. HxGN offers two integrated solutions to keep mass transit operations on track. HxGN Mass Transit is an advanced platform for managing public transportation networks that integrates asset and spatial data into a single system, providing real-time insights to operators. HxGN EAM, a leading enterprise asset management system, helps transit organizations keep their vehicles, infrastructure, facilities, and equipment always operational. With the powerful combination of HxGN Mass Transit and HxGN EAM, transit authorities can manage their assets more effectively, reducing downtime and improving service quality. This integration also supports predictive maintenance, asset tracking, and resource optimization, resulting in cost savings and increased passenger satisfaction. Experience the future of mass transit management with HxGN's integrated solutions.